welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. It's good to see you here. My name is Ego. I'm a law student, lifestyle blogger, and YouTuber. So before we get into today's video, I just want to say make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you never miss a video. Okay, so today's Wednesday, you know what that means. We're back at it again with another hair video. And as you can tell by the title, today's hair video is going to be another first impression unboxing haul of a hair company. So today's hair company that I ordered from is Royalty Hair Extensions. It's a relatively new company. If you follow me on IG, you've probably watched my hair straightening tutorial and you know I ordered my chaser comb from that company. I'll leave the IGTV video link in my description down below. But yeah, so I'm just gonna unbox this and give you my first impression of the hair company. The shipping was very fast and it came pretty quickly, so I'm super excited to get into this. So yeah, let me go grab my scissors and we're gonna open this box up. Okay, so here is the packaging. It's pretty cute. And then this is the other side. I kind of don't want to show my dress, so it's kind of hard to show you. But it just says thank you, and it has this cute floral print on it. So we're gonna open her up. Okay, so it does come with a card. I'll open the card up so we can read that. It has my name on it. Oh, letters are so hard to open. Okay. I can really appreciate this personalized touch to it. Having the thank you card, I think that's very cute and good, like to really get you and your customer close and make them feel like, wow, like you really appreciate my business. So it's just a cute little thank you card. Let me turn down the brightness. Oop, let me turn down the brightness so you guys can see. So it just says thank you. It says Jenny. My middle name is Jennifer, for those of you guys who don't know. I can't thank you enough for your support. I loved watching your review on the chaser comb and seeing your pictures with your lashes. So I ordered more chaser combs and she did send me free lashes, which is very great. I think that's very good customer service. So I just want to throw that out there. Thank you for letting your audience know how awesome Royalty Hair Extensions is. This is just the beginning. Please continue to take pictures and tag us. P.S. Beauty is deeper than hair. It's a feeling. XOXO, love, Raquel. So I think this is super cute. So let's get into the package. Okay, so the hair comes in this satin bag. It says Royalty Hair Extensions, 100% human virgin hair. I think this bag is so cute. I will definitely be keeping it. Oh my God. But I ordered, so I ordered 3 bundles of 20 inches in body wave, I believe, and then 1 6x6 closure. So let's get into these bundles. So the bundles feel pretty good. No shedding. I'm running my finger through it. As you can see, no hair is coming out, so that's really good. I'll just show you guys all the bundles together. It's pretty thick. No smell, so that's good. We love a no smell. The wefts are pretty thick, as you can see, so I like that. And yeah, the hair has a nice luster to it. It's not too shiny where it looks unnatural, but it's not too dull where it's just like, girl, put some oil on your hair. But I really like this. I'm running my hair through all of the bundles now. No tangles, no knots. My hands are just running right through it like silk, and no hair has came out since I ran my finger through that. Like usually you get 1 or 2 strands, which is totally fine, but no hair is ran through, so that's really good. Next we have the closure. So let's open that up. It's in a net. Okay, so I ordered a 6x6 closure in 20 inches body wave. Closure 2, nice luster, no shedding, no tangles. I got a little bit of hair, but not anything more than what you would expect. This is the lace. The lace is pretty thin, which we love a thin lace. The hairline is not too thick, so when I go in to pluck, it won't be that much. No baby hairs. Y'all watch my old videos, you know I do not like when a closure comes with baby hairs. I don't know, I just like to make my own. This unit I have on now, I don't have baby hairs on it. I want to kind of challenge myself and make a unit without baby hairs, because baby hairs kind of are good to hide imperfections in your lace. So if you can rock a unit without baby hair, baby girl, you slayed it, you slayed it. But yeah, this is definitely a 6x6 closure. You know, I've had ordered, I'm going to do a video on this, but I've ordered directly from a vendor. Child, never again. But I ordered a 5x5 closure. It was 4x4 and matted, okay? But I will be doing a video on that. So it's very soft, no smell. It's pretty thick for a closure. Like, there's a good amount of hair, and I can really appreciate that, because not all closures come this full, which helps with like the fullness in the front and overall just like the fullness of the hair. I'm usually like a 3 to 4 bundle type of girl. Anything more than that, I think it's just too thick. This right here, I have in 3 bundles and a 5x5. So I think this is just a perfect thickness. Anything more than this, I just think it's unnatural. But that's me, some people like more. So we're just gonna keep getting into this closure. Hair is looking healthy. Yeah, lace is really good. Like, this is definitely going to take bleach and tint very well. Like, I can tell it's thin, has a good stretch to it, and it's just overall good lace. I'll show you what it looks like on my skin right now. It's probably like a light brown, closer to transparent. So I'm not gonna bleach this one for that long, just because it is pretty light. And then I cannot wait to tint this. So I'm gonna show you everything all together. Let me get the net out the way. But I think this is about to make a bomb wig. Now I'm trying to decide if I wanna like kind of add maybe a highlight situation, or just like a little color in the front just on like the closure, or like completely color the whole wig. I'm shying away from coloring the whole wig because I kind of more so want like a highlight situation for a regular wig, because I do have a highlighted curly wig, and if you guys haven't seen that, I will link my Love Me Hair final review so you guys can see that curly wig, because I haven't really posted pictures on Instagram or worn it in videos besides that one. But I really think, let me guys know in the comments down below, should I leave it in this natural state, or should I kind of add like a cute little highlight situation in the front or throughout? I think like a little like peekaboo, if you will call it, highlights in the front would be a look. But for this, I'm definitely going to record the process. Like I told you guys in a previous video, I recorded a wig making process and scrapped it because it was just a hot mess. But I will definitely record a plucking tutorial with this. I already have a bleaching and tinting tutorial. I'll link that in the cards if you guys want to see that. If I do add any color to this wig, I will record that too, and I will record the process for making the wig. And if I do add an elastic band, I'll record that too. But I'm probably gonna make this a wig like maybe tonight or tomorrow. And so whatever like process I go through the wigs that I don't already have on YouTube, I'll definitely record that process for you guys and have videos on that uploaded like each week. And then I'll definitely have a second review like I did with Love Me Hair after the hair is installed and on my head. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. The bundles are thick, so that's good. Closures thick too, so I think this is perfect. I don't think I need an extra bundle. And yes, so let me know in the comments down below, color or nah. Actually, it doesn't really matter, because by the time this video comes out, I would have already made the choice. But I'm curious to see what you guys would choose anyway. I'll probably throw up a poll on my Instagram, and if you're not following me, follow me here at As Told by Ego. It is right here, and it's right here, so you can't miss it. We're gonna take a deep breath, pause. We're gonna go follow me, and then we're gonna come right back to this video. Are you done? Good. And then while we're at it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video, because I know you don't want to miss a video. I wouldn't either. But all in all, I'm pretty excited. I like what I see with this hair so far. I really love this body weight texture, because all body wave isn't created equally, and I don't know why, but it's not. But I'm super excited to try this hair. I actually kind of want to stop recording now and make a wig, but yes, so this is going to be amazing. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the hair one more time, one by one. So these are the bundles. Like, look at that luster, like get into that luster. It is so like, it has shine, sheen, but it's natural. Like I was saying earlier, it's not like oily or like looks like ew, like fake, synthetica, none of that. It has a nice like soft luster to it, and I can really appreciate that. That is the hallmark of quality hair to me. How it like, you know, how the shine looks. If it looks soft on camera, like that's really a hallmark of quality for me. So you can really see the softness and the shine in the camera. So we love that. We're here for it. And then I'll show you the closure one more time. Let's start with the lace. Like I said, the hairline's not too thick, so I'll probably just pluck it a little bit just so it can be to my liking. But you can definitely wear it like this. I mean, but everyone's different. Like I like a customized hairline, but not to say you can't wear it like this, because you definitely can. Bleach the knots, of course. Tint the lace to my skin tone, of course. Y'all already know how I do. And look at the lace, it's super thin and it's already a pretty decent color, so I know it's gonna be easy to work with. And the thinness, it's going to lay like, it's just gonna lay so perfectly on my forehead. And then it's thick, the hair has minimal shedding, if any. Yeah, there's like no hair on my fingers, as you can see. It's pretty thick, like I said, for like the 50th time. And this is a 20-inch 6x6 closure. And yeah, so I'm really liking what I see so far, and I'm really excited to turn this into a wig. And I already know, like, I'm probably gonna come back ranting and raving. I think because this is the first time I've ordered hair from this company, I will color, maybe like add a couple highlights with the closure or something, or maybe like a peekaboo in the back, something. I'm gonna add some sort of color just so like I can see how the hair takes color, and I can discuss that in the video and give you a full review. So yeah, stay tuned for that second review where after it's a wig, and then also stay tuned for maybe some tutorials for making a closure. Well, not making a closure, sewing it down rather. So sewing down a closure, making a wig, adding an elastic band, plucking, all that. I'll probably have minis on my Instagram, and then the full length, like me speaking, talking you guys through on YouTube as I usually do. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know any companies you would like me to try in the comments down below, or just anything in general you want me to try, any hair things you guys want me to talk about. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys all Friday in the next video. It is not goodbye, it is see you later.